Let's talk to Eric. He's out on Castle Island tonight.
What a beautiful spot, Eric. We're envious.
You know, Lisa and David, the one thing I'm thinking about being down here, obviously the heat, but the other thing, a few weeks from now, coming through the harbor, you're going to have the tall ships visiting Boston
yeah, right.
just a few weeks, and we hope that we have weather just like this. I mean, everyone's outside, a few ice cream cones walking on by, and record temperatures across New England, not just during the day, but in the morning as well. Take a look at the temperature from earlier on today in Boston. The lowest that we got was 72 degrees. That was the third warmest temperature ever recorded in the month of May for an overnight low, and just destroyed the record for the particular date. And tomorrow morning is going to be even warmer. Now, during the day, 95 degrees, that too setting a record. It was our warmest since back in early last August. And we did have one 98-degree day last August, as well as one in July. Our WBZ weather watchers up to 98 in Franklin, Eric and Hopkinton at 97, Ryan and Reading at 96. Randolph up to 95, John and Nashua, New Hampshire, 95 degrees, just like it is the middle of summer. Not too humid today. The atmosphere mixing out, so the dew points are in the 50s. But we'll see that humidity creep up tonight. You'll notice it more, so I'm sure a few air conditioners are definitely going to be on. Our temperature is staying in the 60s and low 70s overnight. There is a chance for a passing shower or storm, especially in central Massachusetts and southwestern New Hampshire. Those are going to be the two spots to watch. Tomorrow, one more warm day. It'll be muggy in the morning, well up into the 80s. Might even see some 90s from Boston southward. But then a front moves through midday to the early afternoon, and that is going to bring down any of the humidity that we have. It's also going to bring cooler temperatures. If Boston hits 90, and I think there is a chance tomorrow, it's an official heat wave. That would be the second earliest heat wave on record. We had one in early May back in 2001. So it is very unusual to have 3 straight days this hot in a row. Now, as we look toward tomorrow afternoon, the front moves through. Looks like right now it's mainly dry. Might be a scattered shower along it. But tomorrow night, we're going to go from the 80s around midday to the 40s by Saturday morning. And although it's much cooler this weekend, high pressure is in control, and that should keep it a pretty nice weekend overall. We'll be in the upper 60s to around 70 for inland areas on Saturday. We'll be in the 50s to low 60s at the coast. And for Metallica, starting out the concert season at Gillette, 60 tomorrow night. If you're tailgating, we're looking at 80s. If you're going to be out there late, we'll be talking about 50. So bring a jacket if you're going to the show. Our 7-day outlook, we're talking about some showers on Monday. That's our best chance of rain in the forecast. Otherwise, a pretty dry stretch. So a dramatic 180 from the cool, wet pattern of early May to the summer warmth and a much drier air that we're having tonight. But out here live, waves coming in, everyone walking around, soaking up some sun. David and Lisa, life is pretty good for now.
It certainly is. Eric, thank you.